emergency.
Okay, so once you stopped, always handbrake first. So we're securing the car, then neutral, then cancel your signal. So it's always 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? So we almost stalled there. Just a little bit late putting the clutch down, yeah?
Of course, in second.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to do the independent part of the driving test. So what will happen is the examiner will pull you up on the left like I've done now and ask you to follow a series of directions. Okay. When I want you to change direction, and when the examiner will want you to change direction, they'll tell you in plenty of time. Okay. So the first set of directions, I want you to drive to the end of the road and then turn left, and then follow signs for Buckingham until I direct you otherwise. Okay.
Yeah.
So just get your biting point ready first.
Yeah.
And then your observations. Do you see what I mean? Because you're on a hill. A little bit more gas. Right shoulder. Don't worry. Foot on the brake. Foot on the brake. Handbrake on. Handbrake on. Okay. Engine on. Okay, so let's give that another go. So obviously you stalled. The reason for your stalling is you bring the clutch to the bike. The moment you're releasing the handbrake, you bring the clutch up again, yeah?
Yeah.
So you just need to hold the clutch longer at its bite till the car begins to move. As the car begins to move, increase the gas, ease the clutch up, so you're sort of coordinating both pedals at the same time. Not one, bring the clutch up and then gas. It's gas and then ease the clutch up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give that another go. So preparation, gas and bite. I need more gas though from you. A little bit more gas. So we should hear the gas. The engine, a little bit more on the gas. Can you hear that? A bit more gas. Still a little bit shy on that gas, and hold the clutch where it is. Okay, now look all around you. And as you release that handbrake, just increase the gas before easing the clutch up. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So after all that, do you remember where you're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Some people put their signal on too early there, so you've done well there. Just when you're turning left on that one, it is very easy to come out first and then turn, so you just need to follow the bend round a bit more. So use your tax disc, keep it on the curb, keep glancing at it, just so you keep a little bit closer to it. If that signal comes off, I'm going to put it back on there until you've come out of the junction. So again, another easy one to fail on, your signal coming off a bit too early. Yeah? might use that left-hand lane to go ahead, not seeing the arrows, yeah? Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's important you know what's on your left before you start coming across. Now, what's your speed limit along here?
60.
60, yeah. An easy one to fail on your test here is your following distance. Obviously we haven't got that problem at the moment, but obviously lots of lorries use this road, like we got here now, so we want to keep a good distance between us and the dustbin truck. What's your what rule can we use sort of when we're doing 40 miles an hour plus in terms of keeping a good gap between us and the car in front, do you know?
3 cars?
That would be a bit close, 3 cars at 40 miles an hour. So
right.
We use a 2-second rule. Have you heard of that? So basically when this dustbin truck goes past like a landmark, like we'll have to use, there's no landmarks, but say the silver post here,
Yeah.
once it hits that, 1001, 1002, and we got a good gap. If we get there before we finish counting, then we're too close.
Yeah.
We're going to follow signs for Wadden. Just bring that clutch up because you're coasting there.
Okay.
Alright, so one, you were coasting, it's a little bit fast, go around the corner. Also you needed to look over your shoulder and make your way across to the left a lot earlier. Did you forget where you were going there?
No, I just too much on my mind.
Okay. Yeah, so you want to come across a lot earlier than that.
Yeah.
When you come across late, it sometimes invites the people on the left that are coming out of the roundabout to come in on your left. Something like a motorbike might come through, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we look over the shoulder. If it's safe, then we gradually make our way across early. Now we're going to follow signs for Milton Keynes West. So what would happen to your stopping distance in the rain?
Increase?
By how much?
I don't know.
Just it doubles.
Oh, okay.
So obviously if it's 2 seconds at 40 miles an hour it becomes 4, yeah?
Yeah.
So we'll need to go a lot slower here. Can you see the signs of Milton Keynes West? I'm going to help you with the brake and clutch down over to the left a little bit more and then into first gear. Now this is really tight here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we need to go around to the left a bit more and then have a look, and now we turn quick. That's it. So that's probably the most common junction on this test where people fail.
I didn't even know it was a thing.
You could see it was really blind on the left, couldn't you?
Yeah.
So you've got to follow it around a lot more there, and then when you can see down to the left, then we turn.
I've never been on roads like this.
But I mean, this is what it's all about, because if you took your test, you can be the best driver, you know, for the area that you're driving, but if you don't know the test routes, do you know what I mean, you could go wrong on that, and that's again a very popular one that people fail on their tests. So people don't realise, you know, that they can't see the left turn too early, and then a car comes around.
Yeah.
Smack. The examiner wouldn't let you do that though. He'll brake you.
Is that failed then?
Yeah. So on the approach to this one, you can see a few little warnings. You've got the red triangle telling you about the bend. It is a very tight bend, so let's slow it down to about 10-15 miles an hour and then go into second gear. That's it. If you were in third gear, sort of doing 25-30 there, where would your car have gone?
Further out.
Onto the other side of the road a little bit, yes. That's why your speed's important. Get that down to about 10-15 before you get there into second, and then you've got more control going around the bend.